Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet's channel. I'm gonna be showing you how to use Monero on SatoWallet app. Well, first you're gonna have to visit the website satowallet.com and download the app from there. There are three versions of the app. There is one for PC, there is one on App Store, and there is one on Play Store. And they have the same interface. So you're gonna use one. of them. I've already installed the PC version on my PC, so we're gonna use the PC one, and I've already signed in. All you need is use an email address to sign in and get your password. And here's the Google AUT. It's for security, to secure your funds. And here's the list of coins on the app. So we're gonna use Monero, and we can type Monero right here on the search bar. You see Monero is right here, so you just click on it, and okay, here's the balance, and here's the balance in Monero, and here's the equivalent balance in USD. So if you want to send Monero to a friend, just click send here. There is a send function, you click it, and this address, you just type in their address, destination type, and amount. Let's say 25 Monero is equivalent to $2,695. And if you want to reduce the amount, you can just click here, 23, 2, 1, 20, and if you want to increase, do this. So and here is the fee deducted, and here is the equivalence of the fee deducted in dollars, and here is in Monero. So, and you can type something, like say something, hey, what's up, and click the transfer button right here, and you make your transfer. Okay, let's move to swap function, swap coins. Okay, we are using Monero, so from currency we click here and choose Monero. Here is a list of coins, so you're gonna look for Monero. Okay, Monero right here. Click OK, and current from Monero to okay. Click here, choose another coin. Let's say Bitcoin. Okay. Here you type in the amount, say 1. Okay, if the amount exceeds your balance, it's going to show you right here, and if it doesn't, well, it will show you. You see, for example, this doesn't exceed the amount in Monero, so it doesn't show anything. Okay, and here is okay, let's go back to one XMR. One Monero is 112 USD, and one Monero is equivalent to 59,972 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to 112 USD as well. And here's the amount of fee deducted, so you can just swap. Click on swap here and swap, and so it won't swap because the amount exceeds your balance. Okay, and if I go like this, you see the swap function is available. So, and let's move to exchange. Okay, here are the list of coins you can exchange with. Okay, using Monero, let's say XM. Okay, you see BTC to Monero. Okay, let's click on that, and okay, amount in Monero, let's see, 12. See, it's in dollars too. Price in BTC, let's say 1. Okay, this is the buying section, and this is the selling one. You do the same thing. Okay, You click on sell if you want to sell, and you click on buy if you want to buy. And here are the list of transactions between Monero and between BTC and Monero on SatoWallet, with the list of trades. And if you buy, you click on here, and that's, you made an order. So you go to my orders, and there will be your order will be right here. And if you want to cancel, you can just click and cancel right here. There will be a cancel button. And here's the list of trade history between BTC and Monero. Okay, you see there's buy, sell, and all. And let's move to currency. Okay, you see it's in, I'm using USD, so let's change to something. Okay, let's look for, this is Chinese yuan. Okay, let's do that. Okay, and it will take some seconds to change. Okay, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins, and you see, before here it was USD, and now we've changed the fiat currency. It's in Chinese yuan. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial.